That's a hanging tool. We can pop doors with this.
Look at that wheel.
And hoses.
Colby, did you see the hose? Colby loves the hoses.
Those hoses, guys.
Look at the hoses, Colby.
See, we got a tack on here. This is what we take inside the house. Now this will hook up to the fire hydrant. If we get water from the fire hydrant, and then that'll give us water.
That's the suits, Colby.
Here. That's what we're wearing.
Look, Colby, there's the fireman suit.
That's what we're wearing when we go inside a burning structure.
Look at that.
That's a leaf blower.
Hey, boy. Alright, y'all want to see this truck? It's in bigger.
Why are different ones different?
So it has that lid on it.
It's got the ladder, Colby.
See, this is in big on the inside. I don't know how big that is.
Dad, are you going to help me?
Okay, I'm going to try it. I'll help you on it. Go. 1, 2, and 1.
Colby, wave at Nana. Colby, wave at Nana so we can send this to Daddy.
Ready? 1.
Colby,
And 1.
say hey.
There you go. Okay, you got it? Good.